Good morning, everyone. I'm here again in WTC. I like the painting here. The moon still very quiet. Happy Wednesday, everyone. So the painting here is nice. See, I like the painting here. I like the painting. I want to get a photo here. This is my favorite wall. See, I like the painting in this wall. Colorful painting. This is what I like in this one. The painting on the wall. And they're using wood. We use a wood instead of the cement tiles. And this is done. If you are a tourist in this place, you can buy the souvenir here. We have so many souvenirs here for because this is the mall selling the souvenir. The other mall they don't have. Small kasi down the small shop. They're selling so many souvenirs. If you are a tourist in this place, you can buy here in the WTC Mall. That's all, guys. You like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, and share and subscribe. The machine is full. I just need to buy. I'm here already. I just leave the bottle. I'll come back later. Don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, and share and subscribe. Anyway, today is Wednesday. I pray that our day today will be smooth. We cannot encounter problem. Always healthy, out of danger. That's all, guys. Enjoy your day. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Bye.